Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sell your cryptocurrency on Binance using the Binance simple P2P method for beginners. And this can be done by simply opening up Binance and make sure you're on the beginners Binance by simply deactivating the pro mode and clicking on this toggle at the bottom right at the bottom of the screen, and you click on sell crypto to USD. You check the crypto you have. So we're going to be using BNB instead. So we're going to be exchanging our BNB for approximately 25 USD. Okay guys, and once you've selected sell crypto, you input the amount of BNB or whatever cryptocurrency you'd like to sell. You click on sell BNB and you select an option for your BNB. You could either pay through Wise or ATM, RTM, or Skrill. Once you've selected a method, you add your account details. That your account details have to correlate with your Binance name. And if you're able to do that, you can simply click on confirm and simply sell your cryptocurrency assets. And that's how you can simply sell your cryptocurrency asset on Binance using the simple beginners method. Comment down below if you have any question concerning how you can go about this, and you'd be given an answer.